In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Calendar as default calendar. If you use more than one calendar in Google Calendar, setting the right default calendar can make scheduling much easier. It helps make sure new events are added to the calendar you actually want to use, instead of ending up in the wrong place and needing to be moved later. The good news is that this only takes a moment and Google Calendar saves the change automatically. To get started, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click that gear icon and then choose settings from the menu that appears. You'll now be taken to the main settings area for Google Calendar. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu with different categories. Click General to open the General Calendar preferences. From there, look for the section called Event Settings. This is where Google Calendar lets you control how new events behave when you create them. Inside Event Settings, find the drop-down menu for the default calendar option. Click the drop-down and you'll see the calendars available in your account. Select the calendar you want to use as your default. This is the calendar where new events will go unless you manually choose a different one while creating an event. As soon as you make your selection, the change is saved automatically. There's no save button to press, so once you've chosen your preferred calendar, you're done. A helpful tip here is to double-check the calendar name before selecting it, especially if you manage multiple calendars for work, personal planning, shared events, or projects. Choosing the correct default can save time and help you stay organized. If you ever need to change it again later, you can return to the same event settings section and select a different calendar at any time. This setting is especially useful if you frequently create events in a specific calendar and want to avoid switching it manually every time. After updating the default, you can go back to your main calendar view and continue scheduling as usual. And that's all it takes to set Google Calendar as your default calendar. Once it's configured, creating events becomes quicker and more consistent, which is a small change that can make a big difference in your daily workflow.